Hi friends. Today we are preparing some snack, which is much popular in Kerala. The Masala Peanuts. It's the perfect snack for rainy seasons with a cup of hot tea. So let's start. First we will coat the peanuts with little masala. We need 2 cup raw peanuts. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and some salt. Add some water and mix everything, so that the masala will cover every part of the peanuts. Keep it aside. And, if you are watching our videos for the first time, please consider subscribing our channel. This YouTube channel is a part of a blog which is trying to collect and preserve local traditional recipes for next generation. So each like or share you are giving will make us more confident to do more videos like this. Next we will make a dough. That will work as the masala coating for the peanuts. We need 2 cups gram flour. We will add 1 tablespoon rice flour to give it some crispiness. Next we will add a teaspoon corn flour too. Next we will add chili powder. If you prefer the color, prefer Kashmiri chili powder. Next 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. And for that spiciness we can either add garam masala or pepper powder. Don't forget to add some salt and a pinch of Asafoetida. That make the perfect taste. Next we will add peanuts with it and add enough water and combine everything well. Add some chopped garlic too. Next we'll separate each peanuts with a coating of dough. It's little heavy task, but else all these will stick together. Make sure every part is covered with dough. Next heat enough oil. First fry some curry leaves in the oil and keep it aside. After that fry peanuts till it become crispy. Mix fried curry leaves with the mixture. Masala peanut is ready. If you like this video, please press like button and share it with your friends and relatives. Okay, we will meet again with our next video. Till then, take care.